Northeast Students Program for Awareness, Rich and Knowledge on Space NE Sparks ki makhada Imphal West amadi Wangoi District ki Government School ki Mahiroi Taranithoi Bangalore leiba Indian Space Research Organization Isro ki dama Imphal International Airport ki lamthakrai Coordinator ama luchingba Mahiroi Singi team adu Education S Valley ki Additional Director Biseswar Khumukchamna flag off tauki Thoramaduga Mari Lenana Biseswar Khumukchamna hai Donor Ministry ki makhada leiba NEC amadi State Government ka kusam naraga Northeast leiba Mahiroi chama Isro da thabani Manipur gi oina team nipan thagadabani ngasi thariba team asina taruk shubani mamang da team manga thakrai team asida yauriba Mahiroi singna Bangalore da leiriba Isro amadi masigi Allied Institute sing da chatuna yengani mafamadu da rocket sawa thagat pa yauna Space Science ka mari lenaba technology kaya yengani madi scientist singa interact tawani Tuarasi maruwaina Mahiroi singda Space Science asida makoigi apamba du khangdokpa loinana masi profession ama oibasu yai haiba khanghanabagi pandamda pangthokpani haina Additional Director asuna phongdokhi TG Higher Secondary School gi Biology Department ki lecturer Sangita Thiyamna coordinator oina puriba Mahiroi sing asana Bangalore da leriba ISTRAC ISSDC Bayalalu URSC amadi JN Planetarium sing yeng bagaloinana senior scientist singa interact bagaloinana mafam sing asada leiriba technical facilities sing Indian Space Program satellite technology ga matangda yengsilakani
Donor Ministry ga makhada lebe NEC ga dagi state government ka tie-up tawraga Northeast ki state nipan sigi ngang chama khallaga Isro da satlaga space science ki matangda ngang sing da awareness piraga moigi manungi interest spark tawnabugi program neba sigi program se khoin maming su NE sparks an thole si program sim tawri se khoina team nipan thona thagadabni team manga thagre ngasi na taruk subani moise Bangalore chatlaga Isro ge allied oiba institution myam da chatlaga rocket sabagi matangda rocket thagatpagi telemetry gi aduge dage myam moise 2 days ki program se moi chatlaga myam interact torokani aduga halaga moida chatluriba adu myam dana moida kitang influence toroga space science de interest la aga moi gi su sigi sida professional oina chatning ba ngang yarak pra have interest spark tawno hona jabni
I hope this trip will be a wonderful trip and it will be a great opportunity to able to explore the Isro centers.